A big good morning to everyone, and what a fine morning it is. It's Joe from Joos back with update 6. This week, we actually had a lot going on, to be honest. We spent a lot of time on conference brainstorming and planning for key early adopters of the software. We've really started to own in on who our first mover corporate users would be. We plan on getting in some rooms for some demos, and try to ascertain the temperature of the industry vets in the market and how they will feel about using Joos as a supplementary solution to manage debt already on their books. We're also looking to bring in some advisory roles for people with experience in related fields and really start to put the business side of the program into play. So regarding the development, this week we worked on properly encoding all the personal and sensitive information of the borrower. So now all the sensitive data is encoded and stored on the blockchain, accessible with a secret key. At this stage, nobody can see it. When the loan is overdue, the information is retrieved from the blockchain using the secret key. It is decoded, and then digital collectors can see the data in simple language. They then obviously use this data to go address the borrower and try to motivate them to settle their debts, essentially. Initially, we're working with limited fields, but eventually the details we have on the borrowers will be more and more comprehensive. The more detail provided by the borrower, the better their risk profile becomes. For instance, let's say your risk score is measured out of 100 data points. If the engine has 99 verified data points, then your risk score would be 1. The idea with this is to eventually create such a database that lending can occur in a completely trustless environment quickly between absolute strangers who never met each other before. Now, this week, we also started creating permissions for all the users. Simple stuff here, really. Things like digital collector user accounts shouldn't see offers and requests. Borrowers can't see details on digital collectors and sensitive data from lenders, etc. But as I said earlier, we had a ton of stuff we're working on this week. And yeah, that's about all for this week, essentially.